Hey, what's going on, people? Robert back at you with another one. Another tool unboxing and overview. This time we are going to take a look at the Bosch ROS20VSC 2.5 amp 5-inch variable speed random orbit sanding kit. Just picked this one up on sale at Menards for $54.99, and that also includes 11% mail-in rebate. And they do a mail-in rebate on everything, so other stuff I bought makes it actually a pretty good deal. So you see, we got the box. It's got a picture of your sander and canister on it, and we flip around this side, pretty much same thing, except for this is going to give you your warranty information, which is primarily in Spanish. So hola español to my Espanol friends. Anyway, we got a 1-year warranty, 30-day money-back guarantee, and also 1-year service protection plan after the 1-year warranty expires. So we take a look on the back of the box here, and what does it tell us on the back of the box? It tells us we have a twist-off dust canister. We have a Bosch microfiltration system that traps particles as small as half of a micron. It uses a random orbit sanding action. Combination of pad and orbit rotation delivers well-blended, ultra-smooth finish and fast removal rate. And this kit here is going to include the RS028 dust canister, which is the blue thing, and a VAC 002 adapter, 1¼ inch to 1½ inch Bosch vacuum hoses, which I have my shop vac hose. We're going to check that in a minute. And we get the 5-inch RS034 soft backing pad, 5-inch sanding disc, and a versatile carrying bag. If you guys notice, all the Bosch tools that I have bought, a lot of times are available without the bag for, on average, of about $10 cheaper. I highly recommend going ahead and splurging the extra $10 to get the bag. The bags are more than worth the $10. So let's see what we got in the box here. This box was a little beat up when I got it. This was the last one they had in the store, because not many times this thing goes on sale. I think it's $69 at Lowe's and Home Depot and $70-something on Amazon. So I'm not complaining. So we got our bag, as with the other stuff. It's, Bosch is, I guess, changing over from green to blue. Kind of driving my OCD crazy, because I got some that are green. So, open up the bag. What's in the bag? So, here's our sander. Alright. And relatively long cord. My guess is probably going to be somewhere around 8 feet. So, we got our sander. And we'll actually frame it in the shot there. Then we have our vacuum hose adapter. I know, sorry, my lighting in this truck is crap, y'all. And we get warranty card, instruction booklet, and they give us a sanding disc. That's nice. So we'll prop that there. And then we get some random cardboard, and yeah. Empty bag at this point. So, like I said, I happen to have my shop vac hose out. So, let's see their hose adapter. Oh, look at that. Perfect tight fit on... Oh, I'll bring it up here. Happen to have it out. Perfect tight fit on my shop vac hang-on thing. So, there's the hose for it. And obviously that goes into there. So, yeah, we're perfect fit. Yeah. I mean, actually, either way it fit, but that way was, yeah, really good. And what you would do there is, like I said, we give the canister a twist and it pops off. Yeah, I was messing with it earlier. It's got a little dust on it. So I guess I need to see which way. Oh, no, we are going to have to go. Okay, so small end. Hang on me, right? Ain't neither way fitting very tight. Oh, I see. They got a little rubber. Okay, that's good. And shop vac hose. Yeah, okay, that's good. Yeah, it's not going anywhere. So if you're doing a bigger job and need a dust collection, plug it into your shop vac. Good to go. So let me get rid of the shop vac. And I was actually going to do something here. So let me set him back in frame. Let me twist our little canister back in. There we go. Let me undo this cord. And we're going to see what kind of action this thing has got. Yep, I was about right on this 8-foot cord, guys. Yep, sure was. Good for me. Happen to have a plug-in right down here. Very good. Move that out the way. And let's get our pad out they give us, which is a P80, so I'm going to assume that's maybe an 80. I'm going to assume that maybe that's an 80 grit. Can y'all see that? Okay. Kind of feels like about an 80 grit. Anyway, so as you can see here, we simply get it lined up somewhat, give her a little pat, and she is on there. Now the variable speeds dial is here on the back, switch is on the front. So see, we got her on the slow, and we crank her on up. That's on 4. That's about half. Alright, let's get it. That's on 6. That's all she's got right there. So, cut off. Okay, great. I don't have any wood to sand in the truck, but I did find this. A peanut lid with some ribs. Let's see if we can smooth some of these ribs out. Let's see how she does. Alright, let me cut her off. Well, definitely the... Oh, she was definitely knocking it out. Huh, okay, cool. Cool, that was working. Now, let's see if anything actually made it into our tray. Yeah, okay, cool. A little bit of stuff in there. Alright, so that dust collection little canister works well. Yeah, sorry that all I had to sand was a peanut lid, but you know. Oh, cut her off there. Put a hurting on that. Anyway, that's it for my little unboxing review there of the Bosch ROS20VSC sander. If you can catch it on sale, I think it's going to be a good deal. We got some little projects coming up and need it. So, alright guys, hope you enjoy it. Give it a thumbs up, a like, subscribe, little bell ding-a-lingy thingamajig, and y'all have a good one. We'll catch y'all on the next one.